Most people scroll through their phones all day without realizing they're sitting on an opportunity to earn real passive income. You don't need to start a business with inventory or spend hours cold emailing strangers. You just need a laptop, a free Notion account, and the right method. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make passive income by creating and selling Notion templates, using the power of AI tools like ChatGPT, design platforms like Canva, and storefronts like Gumroad and Koji. You don't need to be a designer or an expert. You just need to solve a real problem in a way people find useful. Let's start with the most important step, and the one people usually skip. You need to find a problem that someone is actively trying to fix. Not just something you think might be useful, but something people are already searching for help with. That means we don't start with Notion or ChatGPT. We start with research. Go to online communities where people are open about their frustrations. Reddit is one of the best places for this. Look through subreddits like r/Notion, r/students, r/productivity, r/freelance, r/entrepreneur, or r/content creators. Read the posts and especially the comments. That's where people give the most detail. If you see someone say, "I always miss deadlines," or "I never know what to focus on first," those are signals. You want to spot patterns. If you see multiple people complaining about the same thing, you've found a niche worth exploring. Once you've identified a potential niche, let's say busy university students who want to organize their assignments, take that and start narrowing it down. Ask ChatGPT for help. Type something like, "What kind of Notion template would help university students who feel overwhelmed by their assignments?" ChatGPT will generate ideas like a deadline tracker, a calendar view of exams, or a task board for each course. You're not just asking it to come up with random ideas. You're using it to help you structure a solution for a real audience. Now you're ready to open Notion and start building. Begin by creating a new page and give it a name that's specific and clear, like Weekly Assignment Tracker or College Planner Hub. Think about what your user will need to do on this page. What actions should they take? What do they need to see at a glance? If they only check this once a day, what's the most important information? Use databases to organize tasks, assignments, or classes. Add properties like subject, due date, priority, and status. You can use filters so the view only shows upcoming deadlines or incomplete tasks. If you know how to use rollups and relations even better, you can create summary views, like assignments due this week, or percentage completed. Don't worry if you're new to databases. Notion has templates you can use as a base, and you can tweak them with guidance from ChatGPT. It helps to break things into sections. A main dashboard with navigation links at the top, followed by your key sections, makes a world of difference. Keep your design simple. Too many colors or icons distract more than they help. Use columns to give space and avoid long, scrolling pages. Make it feel like a control center, not a checklist someone scribbled during class. If you're not sure how to lay things out nicely, ask ChatGPT. What's the most user-friendly way to organize a study planner in Notion? You'll get ideas you can use immediately. Once your layout is in place, it's time to make it look good. Open Canva and design a custom cover image. This should match the style and tone of your template. If it's for students, calm colors, academic-themed icons, and clear fonts work well. Canva has free templates that are easy to edit. Choose one, swap in your text, and make it look clean. Export the image as a PNG and add it to your Notion page. You can also create preview images that show the template in action. These images are what people see before they decide to click. They're the packaging. Good packaging builds trust. Don't stop there. Write a quick onboarding page inside the Notion template, something that says, "Start here," with a few steps explaining how to use the template. You can write it yourself or ask ChatGPT to help make it concise and beginner-friendly. A lot of creators skip this, but it's a huge value add. It helps your users get started without confusion, and that means fewer support emails and better reviews. Before selling your template, you need to test it. You can't assume everyone uses Notion the same way you do. Ask a few friends or community members to try it out. Watch how they use it. Are they confused by the layout? Do they understand what to do next? Are the views updating correctly when they check off a task? Testing helps you avoid embarrassing issues after launch. Now let's talk about pricing. Your template is a product, and it needs to be priced like one. Don't underprice because you're new. Templates on the lower end usually go for around $5 to $20. More detailed or niche ones can go for $50 or more. Start where it feels right for the amount of time and value you've built in. A common mistake is thinking low price equals more sales. That might be true short term, but it also makes people question the quality. On the other hand, don't overprice either. If this is your first product, aim for a price that feels like a fair exchange. When you're ready to sell, go to Gumroad, set up an account, and create a new product. Upload the Notion template link with duplicate access, so buyers can copy it into their own accounts. Add the images you made in Canva and write a short, clear description. Explain what's included, who it's for, and what problem it solves. People don't care about features as much as they care about outcomes. Say things like, helps you stay on top of assignments without stress, or track every task in one place with weekly reminders. You can also create a free version of your template, strip down a few features, remove the progress tracker or dashboard, and offer that version in the Notion template gallery or through Koji. Koji is great for building simple landing pages. You can add your free version, a button to the paid one, and a form to collect emails. Email is your most valuable asset. If someone downloads your free version, send a welcome email with tips on how to use it and let them know when the premium version goes live. Promote your template where your audience already hangs out. If you found your niche in a Reddit thread, go back and share the free version. Don't just post a link. Write a comment or make a post that says, I made this template to help with the problem people mentioned here. It's free and I'd love feedback. That starts a conversation. And conversations lead to downloads, and downloads lead to sales. You can also create short videos showing how your template works. Record your screen while you click through the dashboard. Show how the tasks update, how the calendar looks, and how easy it is to duplicate. Upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Keep it under a minute for social platforms. Longer demos work better on YouTube. Add the Koji or Gumroad link in your bio or the description. Here's a tip. Think of your template as a product with a life cycle. After your first launch, collect feedback. Maybe people want a dark mode version, or they're using it for work instead of school. Use that feedback to build a second version or a whole new template. You're not just selling files. You're building a system that improves over time. Now let's talk about AI features. Notion AI allows you to automate parts of the workflow. You can use it to generate summaries, write weekly reflections, or clean up notes. Build these into your template. For example, create a section that says, generate my weekly summary, and guide users on how to activate Notion AI to do it. You don't need to know code. Just include the prompt they can use. Explain it in your onboarding page. You can also include a help page with AI prompts. List a few useful commands they can copy, like summarize my tasks for this week, or turn my notes into a study guide. This makes your template feel smart and modern without being overwhelming. If you want to offer even more, use Canva again to design matching printables or digital PDFs. These could be checklist pages, motivational quotes, or a compact view of the weekly schedule. Bundle them with the main template in Gumroad. You can also offer them as bonuses to encourage people to join your email list. Over time, build more templates for the same audience. If you made a study planner, follow up with a daily productivity dashboard, a semester overview, or a budgeting tool for students. Keep the design consistent and link them together on your Koji page. The more products you have, the easier it is to upsell and cross-promote. Your first few sales might take time. That's normal. But if you stay consistent, keep improving your templates, and keep talking to your audience, you'll build up momentum. People start recommending your products. Some come back for more. Some join your email list and become long-term fans. That's when you start seeing true passive income. Remember, AI helps speed up your process. It gives you a head start. But what makes your product sell is the care you put into solving someone's real problem. Your goal is not to trick people into buying something. Your goal is to build something they'd want to tell others about. This isn't overnight income, but it is steady, scalable, and real. And every template you release is a new digital asset that works for you while you sleep. Keep showing up, keep learning, keep improving. The tools are here. You just have to use them. What type of Notion template will you try creating first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.